Gut health for beginners, the hidden controller of your life. You wake up, look in the mirror. Your face looks puffy. Eyes are tired. You feel exhausted, even though you slept for 8 hours. You think, why am I tired? Why do I feel like this every day? Doctors say, your test results look normal, you're perfectly fine. But deep inside, you know you're not fine. Here's the truth nobody told you. The real control center of your entire body isn't your brain. It's your gut. Your gut controls your mood, your energy, your weight, even your happiness. If you think that improving your life begins with a diet plan or a workout routine, no, it starts with your gut. Welcome to Healthy Web Hub, the place where we don't give fake promises, shortcuts, or unrealistic transformations. Here, we simplify health using science plus truth plus real experience. If you truly want to transform your life, stay with us. Let me tell you a true story. A young man named Alex struggled every day. He ate healthy. He went to the gym. He tried different diets. Yet, he was always tired. His stomach felt bloated. His mood was unpredictable, and he couldn't lose weight no matter what he tried. He finally went to a doctor. Doctor checked everything. Blood reports, vitamins, thyroid, sugar, all normal. Doctor smiled. You're perfectly healthy. Alex replied, but I don't feel healthy. Ever felt that? Where reports show normal, but your body is screaming something is wrong? The real problem was not his diet, not exercise, not sleep. His real issue was gut imbalance, gut more your second brain. Scientists call it the enteric nervous system, meaning a full nervous system inside your gut. Your gut communicates with your brain through the vagus nerve. Whatever happens in your gut is reported to your brain in seconds. That's why when you're nervous, you feel stomach tightness. When you're scared, you feel butterflies in your stomach. When you're stressed, digestion shuts down. Eye-opening scientific fact. 90% of serotonin, your happiness hormone, is made in the gut, not the brain. Your mood, your emotional balance, your happiness, even anxiety or depression, all are deeply connected to your gut. So when your gut is unhealthy, you are sad for no reason. You lose motivation. You overthink. You feel emotionally unstable. You think it's mental, but it's biological. And when your gut is unhealthy, your body sends signals. Symptom, hidden meaning. Bloating, poor digestion. Constant fatigue, poor nutrient absorption. Brain fog, low gut bacteria diversity. Bad skin and acne, gut inflammation. Sugar cravings, bad bacteria feeding. Your gut bacteria control your cravings. Yes, if you constantly crave sugar, that's not you wanting sugar. It's bad bacteria demanding food. Now, when your gut is healthy, your body reacts differently. Healthy gut signs. Flat stomach, no bloating. Stable energy throughout the day, clear skin, plus natural glow. Positive mood. Better sleep. Weight loss becomes natural. You don't have to force discipline. Your gut naturally guides you toward healthy choices. Why gut controls everything. Simple explanation. Inside your gut, 100 trillion bacteria. More bacteria than stars in the Milky Way. A complete ecosystem called the microbiome. These bacteria control digestion, control metabolism, produce hormones, support your immune system. Your gut literally decides, should this person burn fat or store fat? Should this person feel sad or happy? What damages your gut? Gut killers. Gut killer result. Processed foods, inflammation, plus bloating. Too much sugar. Bad bacteria grows rapidly. Stress. Gut shuts down digestion. Lack of sleep, hormone imbalance. Eating fast, emotional eating causes acidity. If your gut is unhealthy, every diet will fail. Exercise won't give results. You will feel drained, tired, frustrated. First step to fix your gut, simple action. Add, don't remove. You don't have to quit everything on day one. Just add one gut-friendly habit. You start your morning with a probiotic plus fiber source. Examples. Probiotic fiber. Yogurt unsweetened oats. Kefir apples. Kombucha chia seeds. Fermented foods, vegetables. First meal decides your entire day's digestion. A morning routine, gut-focused. Within 30 minutes of waking up. 1. Drink warm water. 2. Add lemon plus chia seeds or apple cider vinegar. Optional. 3. Eat something with fiber. plus probiotic. Within 10 days, bloating reduces, energy improves, mood stabilizes. Mini challenge for viewers. For the next 7 days, start your morning with fiber plus probiotics. Write down changes: mood, energy, digestion, skin. You'll be shocked. The real transformation doesn't start in the gym. It begins in your gut. Gut transformation, the 7-day reset protocol. What if I told you that in just 7 days, you could reset the most powerful organ in your body? Without medication, without supplements, without struggle, your gut doesn't need more punishment. It needs relief. People spend years trying to fix weight, energy, depression, acne, bloating, fatigue, but they never fix the root. Your gut is not the problem. It's the victim. Today, we will give your gut a second life. Section A. The gut reset rule. Simple and life-changing. Add more good, automatically the bad leaves. Instead of forcing yourself to quit everything, you will ADD, a fiber, a probiotics, anti-inflammatory foods, hydration, a proper sleep routine. You don't quit sugar on day 1. You replace sugar naturally. You don't quit junk food forcefully. Your body stops craving it. Because when your gut bacteria change, your cravings also change. Fun fact: your gut bacteria can control your food choices. If bad bacteria dominate, and you crave sugar, you crave junk. If good bacteria dominate, you crave clean food. You feel energetic. Section B. The 3 most powerful gut healing food groups. 1. Probiotics. They add new healthy bacteria. Examples: probiotic foods, how they help. Greek yogurt, unsweetened, adds good bacteria. Kefir, strong probiotic source. Sauerkraut improves digestion. Kimchi reduces inflammation. Kombucha improves gut diversity. Pickles, fermented only, supports digestion. These foods are living organisms. They literally bring life back into your gut. 2. Prebiotics, fiber. They feed the probiotic bacteria.
Food, why it matters.
Apples high in pectin, gut fuel. Banana stabilizes digestion. Oats improves gut bacteria. Chia seeds cleanses gut lining. Vegetables best fiber source. Fiber washes gut detergent. It sweeps inflammation out of your digestive tract. 3. Polyphenols, anti-inflammatory. Polyphenol foods benefit. Green tea reduces gut stress. Olive oil lowers inflammation. Dark chocolate, 70% plus, reduces cravings. Berries heals gut lining. These don't add bacteria. They protect the bacteria you already have. The formula, memorize this. Probiotics plus. Prebiotics, freeze, happy gut. Example breakfast combo. Greek yogurt, probiotics. Oats plus chia seeds plus apple slices, prebiotics. Section C. 7-day gut reset plan. This is the heart of part 2. This section is big. I will send it when you reply, continue. Here's what it will include. Day-by-day meals. Morning, night routine. A grocery list. A printable checklist. Voiceover script for every day. Example, preview. Day 1, wake up your gut. Morning routine. Warm water. Chia lemon drink. Probiotic breakfast. A goal of day 1. Reduce bloating plus activate gut bacteria. Section C. 7-day gut reset plan. Simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. Day 1, activate your gut. Morning, warm water plus lemon plus chia seeds. Breakfast. Greek yogurt plus oats plus apple. Lunch. Lentils, veggies, a chicken. Small portion of rice or whole wheat bread. Night. Light walk 10 minutes. Reduce water intake 2 hours before sleep. Day 2, reduce inflammation. Morning. Green tea or warm water. Breakfast. Oats plus chia plus almonds. Lunch. Grilled chicken or fish plus steamed vegetables. Dinner. Soup, a broth, salad. Day 3, train your digestion. Morning. Chia water plus light walk. Lunch. Vegetable bowl plus olive oil. Dinner. Light meal, small portion. Deep breathing before sleep. Day 4, control cravings. Breakfast. Dark chocolate, 70% or higher, plus green tea. Lunch. Oatmeal bowl plus fresh fruit. Dinner. Soup plus salad. Day 5, detox day. Morning, warm water plus apple cider vinegar. Skip ACV if your stomach is sensitive. Lunch, vegetable soup. Dinner, yogurt or kefir bowl. A day 6 and boost your energy. Breakfast, yogurt plus berries. Lunch, lean protein plus vegetables. Dinner, light salad plus 10-minute walk. Day 7, celebration day. Breakfast, probiotic plus fiber combo, yogurt plus oats plus fruit. Lunch, eat what you like, I'm just portion control. Night, reflect for 3 minutes. How is your energy level? Does your mood feel better than before? Section D, gut activation exercises. No gym, no equipment, do at home. 1, after meal walk. Walk for 10 minutes after each meal. Improves digestion and reduces bloating. 2, knees to chest pose. Lie on your back. Pull both knees to your chest. Hold for 3 minutes. Relieves gas and bloating. 3, deep belly breathing. Inhale through your nose. Let your belly expand. Exhale through your mouth. Continue for 4 minutes. Helps relax your nervous system. 4, stomach vacuum, empty stomach. Pull your stomach inward and hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Helps tighten lower belly muscles. You started watching this video because you wanted a change. Maybe you were tired of feeling bloated. Maybe your energy felt low. Maybe you were frustrated because no diet has ever worked for you. But today, you did something different. You took the first real step toward healing your body from the inside. Not by starving yourself. Not by punishing yourself. But by understanding your gut, the real engine of your mental and physical energy. If your gut is healthy, your mind becomes clearer. Your mood becomes lighter. Your energy increases. And your body naturally starts to look and feel better. Healing begins inside, not outside. Why this plan works? Because it's simple, sustainable, based on balance, not restriction, designed for real people with real lives. No extreme rules. No complicated routines. Just small daily actions that stack into long-term change. Here's your transformation roadmap. 7 days to reset the gut. 21 days to build the habit. 90 days to completely transform your life. Consistency beats perfection. Don't wait to be ready. Just start even if it's messy. Your body is not the problem. Your habits are. You don't have to be the old you anymore, tired, stressed, bloated, drained. You deserve to feel light, confident, energized, alive. Your gut is your power center. When you heal it, everything changes. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being committed. If this video gave you value, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share, because your one click helps this channel reach more people who also want to heal naturally. Comment below. I'm starting my 7-day reset today. Let's build this journey together. This is not the end. This is your new beginning. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Healthy Way Hub. Your transformation starts here.